Georgia Avenue. All right, we are arriving at our next stop. You know, we're going to keep this mission going. Add to the kitty. I got to pull in the back. Oh, I see it. Okay. Yeah. Then we got 2 to do here. 2 TVs, wire concealment. Let's go. All right, we are here. We are. Boom. 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 All right, so I'm going to give you this tip since it's the holiday season. You got a big TV and you're trying to get it out the box. Here's the easy way to do it. You don't have to pull it from here. Like that. Instead, you can lift the box up. Like that. Ta-da. A lot of secret compartments today. I approve. I ain't gonna believe this. So I left my drill at the last house. But that's why you always gotta have a backup handy. You know what I mean? This is a right angle drill. It's not designed for that, but we gonna make it do what it do today. You know what I mean? Gotta keep on rolling. Oh yeah. It's one monkey, don't stop, no shoot. It's a beast. Might be the new cheat code. And of course, I need that drill in order to get through this. You can't see it, but this fire block in there. So a fire block is like a piece of wood that goes right here horizontal. So I had to get through it in order to hide the wires. You know what I'm saying? So I had to make this, configure this right angle to use this and to use this. You know what I mean? And it's just been a mess. And then this bad boy, this part doesn't fit in here. So I have to do this by hand, like this. We're going to work today. We're going to work today. Yeah, but see what I tell y'all. Bow. Bow. Told y'all my God don't play about me. Look, I'm not even joking, but today one of them days where they won today. You know, we're going to fight through it. We're going to get through it, but man. All right, one down. Let's see. Wow. You know what I mean? All right, cool. Let's head upstairs. It's all about perseverance. You got to keep going. It don't matter how much money you making and all that. It's still going to be hard work. It's not easy. But don't get me wrong. Some days when you get those easy breaks, you really appreciate them. Okay, let's take this one. We're going to put it right over here somewhere. Okay? Let's hurry this up. It's always about taking time and perseverance. Even when things may not be going, you know, as planned. It's cool. Breathe. And then take your time. Boom. You accomplished the goal. Let's keep getting at it. All right, y'all. So we are completed. You know what I mean? Got that done. That was 2 at another 400. So we add that 400 to the kit. I forget, that's 400, 700. That's 1,100. That's 1,100 for the day. Our goal is 325. Yeah, so if my math is mathing, that puts us at 1,132% to target for the day. Don't do the math. All right, y'all. We are on the way to Temple Hills, Maryland. Temple Hills, I'll see you in a second. Branch Avenue. I'm on the way.